Hey there. I'm going to give you another sneak peek into my life as a work from home employee. So I'll be giving you another 5 wellness moments that you can use throughout the day. Take time throughout the day to stretch. Especially if you're typing all day, make sure you stretch your hands and your wrists. Be sure to take time throughout the day to just stop and breathe. We are often running from task to task to meeting that we forget to slow down and take a breath. I use the Breathe app on my Apple Watch because it gives me a little nudge to count me in and out when I need to inhale and exhale. But you can simply take a few deep breaths and really take a moment to calm and center yourself. Every once in a while, you might try working from another spot in the house. This can simply be when you need to review some notes, or if you're doing some writing. You can even take your laptop and move to another spot. Here you see me on the couch. And it's amazing how much of a difference it makes. It gives you a little bit of a recharge, but sometimes it can get the creative juices flowing as well. One of the great things about working from home is you don't have a commute. However, the commute is often the time we have to transition from work to home. So why not try a virtual commute? And it doesn't have to be that long, even 10 to 15 minutes. You can go outside for a walk, you can color, you can meditate, you can even catch up on a book or a magazine. It just gives you an opportunity to transition from work to home. This last wellness moment is my favorite. Have a dance break. This is the great thing about working from home. You can stand up and dance, crank the music at any time throughout the day. It really gives you a moment to recharge your brain and your body. So have some fun with it. Okay, that's a wrap. So let's recap. First, find some time to stretch throughout the day, and don't forget to take a breath here and there. Why not try sitting somewhere else in the house while you do some work? And try out the virtual commute, especially at the end of the day, to help you make that transition from work to home. And finally, my favorite, try a dance break.